The Obsolete Sounds project it has just launched, and that is, I think, the world's biggest collection of obsolete and disappearing sounds. I think sound is quite a poor relation compared to visuals. You know, we live in such a visually dominated culture. Sound is often kind of the poor relation, and outside formal archives from things like libraries, it's quite hard to find a way of preserving sounds that are already culturally significant or could become culturally significant. There were hundreds of years during which the sounds of horses' hooves and bells and blacksmiths and that kind of thing were the defining sound of cities for a very long time. And then the Industrial Revolution came along, that lasted a bit longer, but now I think you're hearing sounds that come in and maybe they only last for 3 or 4 years before they already start to sound archaic. If you think about the sounds of some social media notifications or ringtones or something like that, or the sound of an electric car or that kind of thing, they're already starting to sound dated after only a few years. I think there are certain gaps, particularly around Africa, I would say. I think it's quite hard to build connections into field recording and artistic communities in Africa, of which I'm sure there are very many. So it would be great to get recordings from particularly African cities, I would say would be a target of mine.